Never say never, because the moment you do, you close the door on the life you were meant to build. Never say never to your dreams. Never say never to your growth. Never say never to your healing. Never say never to your comeback. Never say never to the version of you that is still waiting to rise. There are moments in life when everything tells you to stop. The pain is too much. The fear is too strong. The failures are too many. The road feels too long. And in those moments, the easiest thing to say is never. I'll never change. I'll never make it. I'll never get out of this. I'll never be enough. But those words can become prisons. This message is your wake-up call. It is your reminder that your life can change. Your future can shift. Your story is not over. And the word never does not belong in the mouth of someone who is still becoming. Never say never. Those two words carry a heavy weight. They can either destroy possibility or protect your peace. They can either trap you in limitation or remind you that growth is still possible. Most people do not fail because they lack talent. They fail because they stop believing change is possible. They give up too early. They label themselves too soon. They decide their future before their future has even had a chance to arrive. But life is rarely finished where you think it is. The chapter you are in right now is not the final chapter. The pain you feel right now is not your permanent identity. The mistake you made is not your final definition. The setback you faced is not your ending. You are still here. And if you are still here, then your story is still moving. Never say never to yourself. Because the moment you speak defeat over your own life, you begin to shrink your own potential. You stop trying. You stop hoping. You stop moving. You begin to live as if the current moment is the whole picture. But it is not. There was a time when you did not know how to walk, yet you learned. There was a time when you did not know how to read, yet you learned. There was a time when you did not understand your own strength, yet life forced you to discover it. That means change has already happened in your life before. You are not always who you are now. And that is proof that transformation is possible again. This is why never saying never matters. It keeps your mind open. It keeps your heart alive. It keeps your spirit ready for growth. The human mind loves certainty, even when certainty is false. It wants to say, "This is just who I am. This is just how life works. This problem will never change." But certainty can become a cage. Real power begins when you stop locking yourself inside yesterday's conclusions. You are not your worst day. You are not your deepest mistake. You are not the opinion of the people who gave up on you. You are not the limitations others placed on your name. You are a living, changing being. And as long as you are alive, growth remains possible. Never say never to healing. Some wounds take time. Some wounds go deep. Some pain sits in the body, in the mind, in the memory. You may have told yourself that the hurt will never go away, that the heaviness will always stay, that joy belongs to other people and not to you. But healing does happen. It may be slow. It may be quiet. It may be imperfect, but it happens. Every time you rest instead of breaking yourself further. Every time you speak kindly to yourself instead of with cruelty. Every time you choose one healthier habit. Every time you ask for help. Every time you return to hope. That is healing. Never say never to your comeback. Everyone loves a comeback story, but very few people are willing to live one. A comeback begins when you refuse to let failure define the rest of your life. It begins when you get back up after being knocked down. It begins when you decide that your current position is not your permanent position. You may be behind. You may be tired. You may feel like you lost time. But lost time is not lost forever unless you stop moving. There is still something you can do today. There is still one step you can take. There is still one habit you can improve. There is still one decision you can make. That step matters. Because comebacks are not built in one moment. They are built in repeated moments of refusal. Refusal to quit. Refusal to surrender. Refusal to believe that the fall was the final word. Never say never to your growth. Growth is uncomfortable. It asks you to let go of old habits. It asks you to become a beginner again. It asks you to learn what you once ignored. It asks you to be honest about the places where you are still weak. That is why many people resist it. It is easier to stay the same than to change. It is easier to live by habit than to live by intention. It is easier to repeat than to rebuild. But easy is not always good. Growth may stretch you, but it strengthens you. Growth may challenge your pride, but it expands your capacity. Growth may expose your limits, but it also shows you how much further you can go. When you commit to growth, you stop saying, "This is all I can be." You start saying, "I can learn more. I can do better. I can become stronger." That is a powerful shift. Never say never to your dreams. Some dreams take longer than expected. Some require patience, discipline, and sacrifice. Some demand that you continue even when progress is too slow to notice. That is where many people quit. They thought the dream would arrive faster. They thought success would feel easier. They thought the path would be clearer. When it wasn't, they stopped believing. But a dream delayed is not always a dream denied. Sometimes the delay is preparation. Sometimes the silence is formation. Sometimes the struggle is shaping you into the person who can actually carry the dream. If the dream is real, keep it alive. Nourish it with action. Defend it from doubt. Protect it from mockery. Feed it with consistency. Never say never to the person you are becoming. There is a version of you that is stronger than your fear. There is a version of you that is wiser than your habits. There is a version of you that is calmer than your chaos. There is a version of you that is more disciplined, more focused, more peaceful, more powerful. And that version is not a fantasy. It is built through choices. Every day gives you a chance to move closer to that person, a chance to choose better, a chance to think deeper, a chance to act with courage instead of hesitation. You do not transform by accident. You transform by repetition. The same way pain can repeat, strength can repeat. The same way failure can repeat, discipline can repeat. The same way fear can repeat, courage can repeat. And when courage repeats long enough, it becomes identity. That is how your life changes. You may have been told never by life, by people, by disappointment, by your own inner voice. You may have heard it in many forms. You will never be enough. You will never recover. You will never succeed. You will never change. But this is your opportunity to answer back. Never say never, because there are stories that began in weakness and ended in strength. There are lives that started in darkness and moved into light. There are people who were counted out, overlooked, and underestimated, and still found a way to rise. Not because they were perfect, not because it was easy, but because they refused to let the word never become their identity. If you are listening to this right now, maybe you need that reminder today. Maybe you are tired. Maybe you are discouraged. Maybe you are in the middle of a battle nobody else can see. Then hear this clearly. You are not finished. Your current season is not your final season. Your current pain is not your final reality. Your current limit is not your final limit. There is more in you. More strength, more courage, more discipline, more wisdom, more resilience, more life. But you must keep moving, even if the steps are small, even if the progress feels slow, even if nobody claps yet, even if the results are not visible yet. Keep going. That is how transformation happens. The 2% change you repeat every day becomes a new life over time. The small act of self-respect becomes a stronger identity. The daily refusal to quit becomes a comeback story. Never say never to the future, because the future is not a fixed sentence. It is a living possibility, and possibility grows when you feed it with faith, action, and patience. Your life can open in ways you cannot yet see. Opportunities can come. Doors can open. Paths can appear. People can enter your story. Healing can deepen. Strength can rise. Peace can return. But you must stay available to it. You must keep saying yes to growth. Yes to discipline. Yes to hope. Yes to the unknown. Do not curse tomorrow with today's pain. Do not say never when your life is still unfolding. Instead, say, I am still here. I am still learning. I am still growing. I am still becoming. I am still capable. I am still on the way. And that truth is powerful. If this message spoke to you, then stay connected to this channel. Here, we create motivation that strengthens the mind, builds discipline, and helps you grow into your best self. If you want more powerful videos like this, subscribe now and become part of this community. Because the next message may be the one that lifts you. The next video may be the one that changes your mindset. And the next step you take may be the one that changes your life. Subscribe now, and let's keep growing together.